y'all, so what's up? It's your girl Danielle and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, I just want to give a big disclaimer. If you see me with the same shirt on in another video before this or after this, mind your business, okay? Mind your business. Now I'm just playing, y'all, but I am recording 2 videos. But before I get into this video, make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl uploads another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. Now, this is going to be a little different because I don't really have a skincare routine right now, but I'm making one right now because I'm starting a new skincare routine. And I'm about to just see if it works for my skin, if it's going to help me or whatever. And if it does, I'll keep y'all updated on it. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the product you will see me using today in this video is going to be the Spin Spa brush, some beauty cleansing wipes, Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, witch hazel, and then I have some cocoa butter formula lotion, basically for moisturize. Also, I have some cotton rounds that I'm going to be using. So I already have a fresh face. I didn't put anything on my face, but just for the sake of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these cleansing cloths, and I'm just going to just clean my face off to just remove anything that just might be there. And these are just some regular old wipes that I got from the Dollar Tree, to be honest. I'm just going to go ahead and clean my face off with this cloth right here. And if y'all see me looking this way, because it is a mirror in front of me actually also. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wet my spin brush here and put some of this facial cleanser on it, and I'm going to cleanse my face. So I've already wet my brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on it. Now I'm finna just go in and just cleanse my face. So my face is fully covered. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna go in with a wet washcloth that I've got and just kind of just pat it gently to like remove the soap. Pretty much remove the soap. Y'all, my skin already feels soft. See, that's my problem. I'm always touching my face, and that's not good. If you don't know anything how to keep clear skin, do not touch your face. Don't touch your face. So now I'm just gonna go in with the witch hazel, and this is what I have these cotton rounds for. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this witch hazel on the little cotton rounds that I got. And I'm basically just going to take this and just kind of wipe it, spot it like all over my face. Okay, so that's done. Now, let that dry out a little bit. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my cocoa butter formula lotion for the moisturizer. Y'all, this lotion smells so good. I chose to get cocoa butter lotion because, you know, cocoa butter like clears up your skin anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just rub it in. I think I might have put too much, but it's cool. Completely rubbed in the moisturizer lotion, and y'all, I feel like my skin is glowing. What y'all think? Is it glowing? Am I glowing or what? Y'all see that glow? Y'all can't tell me I ain't glowing. Y'all can't tell me. But no, y'all, so my skin feels like super soft right now, and it just feels very like refreshed and clean. Like, I'm really loving, you know, how this feels. I'm going to keep up with this routine, and I will check back in to let y'all know like how it works for me. I'm gonna do it for about a month, and then I will come back with like an update and basically just tell y'all if it worked for me or what's happening, because you know it takes about a month for you to see like some type of progress. But hopefully this does work, y'all. I just put together whatever. Let me know if y'all have any skincare routines, you know, or anything that you do daily for your skin, because you just never know. Everybody's skin works differently, so what may work for you may not work for me, and what may work for me may not work for you. But y'all, let me know, am I doing everything right with everything that I have? Because basically I just kind of looked up stuff and I just kind of watched a couple videos. So yeah, I just did a skincare routine because I don't know if y'all can see, but I have like dark spots. Now, I was doing a separate skincare routine, which I did not document, but I should have. And it really did clear up my skin. But the product was like kind of expensive, and I didn't want to have to keep on spending that much. So I was like, let me see if maybe I can find like my own skincare routine, you know, something that can kind of like, you know, help me out or whatever. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video, or if you have any tips or anything, you can let me know. Also, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, of course, if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and make sure that your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace.